Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Naughty Threads. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, hit the subscribe button now and also hit the bell icon to get all the future updates. So in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to make this basic Kuchu design using these pretty little flower beads. The design looks really elegant on any simple silk saree or soft silk saree. So without any delay, let's get started. So this is the first step we'll be working for this design. For that I have taken 10 strands of silk thread and I have kept one end long and the other end short. And I'm going to use these small flower beads. You can use any type of beads if you want. But the flat ones are the best choice for this design. So in the needle, we'll just insert the bead first like this. And if you notice, I've left very little gap in between the two sets. So you just have to maintain the same distance throughout the saree. So this way you will pull the thread and then from here you will go back into the bead. For this particular design, you don't need a long thread because we are only making one knot. So about so much length is good enough. So this is the first bead and I'm going to add one more in the same way and then join both together and make a knot. Now this distance, the distance between the first and the second bead absolutely depends on the size of the bead. Just in case if you're using a bigger bead, then the distance you'll be doing it will be slightly more than what I am doing right now. So trim this and then hold both together and make one knot in the center like this. So in case if you leave lesser gap here, then the beads will tend to overlap like this. They'll sit on top of each other, which might not look nice. So be very careful when you decide on the distance. See, if you hold this like this, then it has to be one next to the other. So this way, using the needle, you'll place the knot in the center. So this is how it should look. So I've finished the first step and I've already started adding tassels here. Since the saree is just single color along with this gold saree, I'm just keeping like one gold and one saree color. So for that I have taken 100 strands of silk thread and I've glued on one end and I've ironed it with a hair straightener. So it's very simple. You must have seen in a lot of my videos. You just have to add it in between the beads. Now this part is slightly important because of this knot here. You have to make sure to cover the knot like this. So the knot should not be visible and then we'll tie it 3 times with zari. It's a very simple design. If you have just started making tassels, this is one of the best designs for you guys to try. And then we'll just trim the tassel. Here is the final look of this design. I have used about 20 grams of flower beads to finish the complete saree. Now the quantity of beads completely depends on how you plan to place the beads. If you're placing them at distance, then you might need less number of beads. So I hope you guys like this design. Do share your comments in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please subscribe to our other channel, Naughty Vlogs. And I'll see you soon with more interesting fun videos. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye.